Man, I ask a hater, bro. This how I know you a hater, bro. Ask these niggas, bro. Hey, man, I'm trying to shoot this little video, man. It's like a little 30-second clip, you know what I'm saying? Maybe a minute long. Can you hold the camera on me? Keep me in the middle. Just hold the camera on me while I shoot this, you know what I'm saying? I done shot you a bunch of random pictures and shit. A bunch of videos, all this other stuff. But can you just hold the camera aiming at me? Nigga say, I don't know how to do that. Nigga, you don't know how to do that, bro, but you take all these pictures and videos of your food and shit when that shit come out, but you can't. I'm like, bro, I'll press record for you. You just gotta hold the camera, bro. Nigga say, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to make it look good. All right, bro. That's cool. Understood. Understood.